Hello everyone. To start our topic po, we must know muna the basics. For now, I will be discussing muna po what is hypothesis. Based on the presentation that I am currently presenting, it said that hypothesis testing is a statistical method used for decision making or drawing conclusions about a population based on data collected from a sample. It helps us to determine whether the results of the study provide enough evidence to support or reject a certain claim or assumption. By performing z-test, t-test, and chi-square test, it supports the findings to be reliable and accurate. Sa madaling salita po, ang hypothesis testing daw po ay sitwasyon na may hinala ka tungkol sa isang bagay, tapos gusto mong alamin kung may basehan ba talaga yung iniisip mo. Kukuha ka ng kaunting impormasyon o sample. Tapos, titingnan mo kung tugma ba ito sa inaasahan mo o may kakaiba pang mangyayari. Para lang itong pag-verify kung totoo yung narinig mong impormasyon. Hindi ka agad naniniwala, kaya nag-iipon ka muna ng ebidensya bago ka magdesisyon. Ang mahalaga ay malaman kung sapat ba yung datos para masabi mo may dahilan para magbago ang iyong pinaniniwalaan o baka mas tama pa rin yung unang ating inakala. For better understanding po dito sa ating definition, I've prepared one simple example po para sa inyo. Ang nakalagay po dito, a basketball coach thinks his players did better in the tournament this year than last year. He reviews the recordings of their team play and checks if the performance is really better. After doing the test, the result shows that the difference is significant. So the basketball coach concludes that his players improve more this year. Sa una daw po ay may assumption ng coach na mas magaling ang kanyang players ngayon kumpara nung nakaraan. Tapos, nangalap siya ng mga detalye tungkol sa kanyang pinaniniwalaan. At sa huli, ay napatunayan na tama ang kanyang assumption. So, ganoon lang po kasimple and ayun para sa ating definition ng hypothesis testing. Maraming salamat.